Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the Aventon Aventure.2, an electric commuter bike that's perfect for all types of conditions. With its fat tires and impressive features, it's a bike you'll be happy to have, especially during winter. Let's dive in. The Aventon Aventure.2 is not your ordinary commuter bike. With its fat tires, it can tackle any terrain, from snow-covered roads to unpaved paths. And the benefits of those big tires go beyond just conquering different surfaces. They also provide a significant increase in comfort. The Aventure.2 is designed to go anywhere, in any condition. It features a suspension fork with 80 mm of travel, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough terrain. With powerful hydraulic disc brakes, you can rely on reliable stopping power in all conditions. The Aventure.2 comes in two sizes: regular for riders from 5 feet 3 inches to 5 feet 10, and large for riders from 5 feet 10 inches to 6 feet 4. Shorter riders can also opt for the step-through design, offering more clearance between them and the frame. Whichever size you choose, the Aventure.2 includes an 8-speed drivetrain, fenders, and integrated lights. Notably, these lights also function as turn signals and brake lights. Out of the box, the Aventure.2 is set up as a Class 2 e-bike, providing assistance up to 20 miles per hour. However, using the Aventon app, you can configure it for Class 3 use, boosting its speed to 28 miles per hour. The app also allows you to record and share your rides with the Aventon community. All other adjustments, such as changing assist levels and operating the turn signals, can be done right on the bike using the full-color LCD display and handlebar-mounted buttons. With the motor built into the rear hub, the Aventure.2 utilizes a torque sensor to amplify your pedaling input. The harder and faster you pedal, the more assistance you'll receive. While the bike's weight of 77 pounds can be noticeable when maneuvering, it becomes less of an issue once you're riding. The Aventure.2 offers a super fun experience, with its big tires providing excellent traction and stability. Riding in the snow is particularly enjoyable, thanks to the added grip and lower tire pressure. The Aventure.2 is equipped with brake lights and turn signals, which automatically illuminate when braking. This feature sets it apart from most e-bikes on the market. However, the suspension fork, while present, might not be necessary given the comfort provided by the large tires at lower pressures. Aventon offers optional accessories for the Aventure.2, including a rear rack that installs easily and provides a stable platform for carrying your belongings. However, you'll need to find your own straps for securing your loads, as they are not included. The battery, conveniently mounted in the down tube, is removable using the included keys. Aventon advertises a range of up to 60 miles per charge, depending on the assist mode, terrain, and other riding conditions. If you rely solely on the throttle without pedaling, you can expect up to 30 miles on a single charge. For further customization, Aventon's website offers a wide range of parts and accessories. From fenders to a front rack for additional cargo space, you can personalize your Aventure.2 to suit your needs. Adding a suspension seat post is also an option for those seeking maximum comfort. Although the big tires already provide a considerable amount of comfort and compliance. When comparing the Aventure.2 to its competitors, such as the Velotric Nomad 1 and Lectric's XP 2.0, it holds its ground as a multi-surface commuter bike. In conclusion, the Aventon Aventure.2 is a highly capable multi-surface commuter bike that excels in all conditions. Its ability to effortlessly handle various terrains, combined with the added safety features of brake lights and turn signals, sets it apart from other e-bikes on the market. While the weight and suspension fork may have some drawbacks, the Aventure.2 remains a solid choice for commuting to and from the office, regardless of the terrain. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews and previews. Stay tuned for our next episode.